In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize products in your Shopify store. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to streamline their online shop and make it easier for customers to navigate. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to arrange your products so that they make logical sense to your visitors while also potentially increasing your sales. To begin, head over to the Products section in your Shopify admin panel. You can find this on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is where all your product management actions start, and it's the hub of your product organization activities. Once you're in the Products section, you'll want to navigate to the Collections area. Collections are a fantastic way to group similar items together and make it easier for customers to find exactly what they're looking for. After entering the Collections page, look for the Add Collection button and go ahead and click it. This is where the formation of your new, organized collection begins. In creating your collection, give it a name that clearly represents the products it will include. Whether it's summer sale, winter specials, or something else entirely, the name should give your customers an instant idea of what they'll find inside. Include a description as well, which can provide further context and entice customers to explore the items. You'll also need to select the collection type. And for this tutorial, choose Manual. Selecting Manual allows you to have complete control over which products appear within the collection. Once you've named and described your collection and selected the Manual option, it's time to add the products. Browse through your available products and choose the ones you want to include in this collection. This step is all about handpicking items that naturally go together, so think about what makes sense for your store and your audience. After adding products, take a look at the Sort drop-down menu. Select the option labeled Manually. This choice is crucial because it allows you to dictate the order in which products appear rather than leaving them sorted by default or by criteria such as price or date added. Now, with the option to sort manually selected, you'll notice that drag handles appear on each product. These handles are intuitive to use and allow you to click and drag each item into a preferred order. This can help to highlight certain products or align with a specific marketing strategy. Don't hesitate to rearrange as you see fit. Once you're satisfied with the order of your items, make sure to click the Save button. This action will ensure all of your hard work is not lost and your collection is stored exactly how you intended. And there you have it. That's all it takes to effectively organize your products. By following these steps, you're setting the stage for a smoother shopping experience.